Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HardTravel.com and I'm currently on board the beautiful Norwegian Encore. So right now we're sailing on the inaugural cruise and we get to check out a bunch of these staterooms so that we can share them with you. So I'd love to show you this one. It's an aft-facing balcony. This particular one happens to be handicap accessible. So this ship has quite a few rooms that are accessible. The ship in general is very, very accessible because it's a brand new ship. A couple things you wanted to see, or you'll want to see, is right when you come in, there's a button right here. So this is going to open it up automatically as you would expect with a handicap accessible room. Over here you're going to have your makeup room and do not disturb sign at the appropriate level, which I like. I like that you can just push the button and you don't have to go outside and put a magnet on or flip something over. I've also got some coat hangers right here as well. So one thing that I did want to point out is they have a plug here. This is awesome because a lot of people that use these rooms are going to need to charge a portable wheelchair, and it's nice to have it really conveniently there, and this is a great parking spot for that as well. So let's head on into the bathroom. You got your temperature control right here. Okay, and as you can see, it's a large, oversized, accessible bathroom. So you've got your shower right here with the bench that comes down. You've got your clothes hanger right there that'll connect over here. You've got the shower wand, and then over here you're gonna have the shampoo and body wash. Keep in mind that it is refillable. They're trying to eliminate all single-use plastics throughout the entire Norwegian fleet by the end of 2019. So basically everything's going to that type of refillable bottle. You've got the toilet here with the grab bars on the side. This comes down as well, and then also the emergency pull right here. Okay, over here you're gonna have more grab bars, and then you've got your sink. So not a ton of storage. There's a little bit of storage on the side here, and you do have a razor plug, but not a ton of storage, but that's pretty common in accessible staterooms like this in the bathroom. Okay, so as we head on in here, I'll show you on my right here, we've got some storage right there. So this is gonna be hang up, and then of course this comes down to make it accessible. Here we go, so you got some shelves here for storage as well. Okay. I'm going to head over here. You've got your vanity, so you've got a chair here, great to get ready. 3 US plugs. You've got your coffee maker. On the other side, you also have a Euro plug too. I always bring a European adapter just to make sure that I can utilize all the plugs in the room. Drawers on the side here. You've got your hair dryer there that's customary in every single room on board the ship. Okay, trash can, your phone. Hey, over here you have a little bit of storage by the bed. You do have a USB plug right here next to the bed, along with a reading light and lamp, and then this nice LED backlighting here. Right now it's set up as a full king bed, but this can also separate out into 2 twin beds, and then they just take the side tables and put them together in the middle. So I'm gonna continue on over here. TV here with remote. You can use the remote and you can access your bill, all kinds of stuff through the TV channel. Right here you can have a ton more storage. First you've got some shelves here. Your drawers here, okay, and then over here you have more shelves as well. All right, over here you're gonna have your mini fridge right there. Okay, some storage underneath, storage up here as well. And then you also have more storage here with the safe. Safe is perfect for small valuables. You can't fit a full laptop in there, but generally don't need to, but you got more shelves here. Okay, head over to the other side of the bed. Right here, you're gonna have the light. So you got a reading light, you've got a USB plug, a lamp, and then also the backlit here and a little bit of storage on the side. So, but what really makes this room unique and what I love the absolute most about it is that it has an aft-facing balcony. All right, so now I'm heading outside. You see that it is accessible here to get in and out. Aft-facing, of course, you've got 2 really large oversized chairs, which I like. It's a really, really big balcony. You've got 2 other chairs here as well, so you can have room service out here. For me personally, my favorite view on any cruise ship anywhere in the world is sitting in the back and looking out at the aft. I love having my coffee out here. This is the exact perfect place for it. And right now, just listening to the wake, you're listening to the ship as it goes, just kind of soothes me and makes me really relax. So it's really, really private as well. And on either side of me, you have the standard aft-facing balconies, which basically the exact same, but quite a bit smaller because they're not accessible. I hope you enjoyed watching that video as much as I enjoyed making it. So make sure that you like the video and that you subscribe to our channel. If you hit the notification button, you'll see all the new and exciting stuff that we have coming up. We have a ton of Norwegian content out there, a ton more coming, and from other cruise lines as well. So I hope you have fun wherever you're choosing to cruise, and we will see you on board soon.